Well, I finally got Tammy 1 back up and running. By the way, if you ever need to test your anger management skills, please feel free to try and replace the ribbon cable on a Mavic Pro camera gimbal. Anyway, how many times have you heard a flat earther say, 360-degree views from high-altitude balloons tells me that the horizon is flat, so the Earth must be flat. And no matter how many times you try to explain that it's just simple geometry, they just don't get it. So I dug out my old 360-degree camera, put a simple stabilizing leg on it, and hung it from a 3-meter sling under Tammy 1. Now, you might think that I'm going to fly up to some crazy altitude and show what all the other 360-degree shots have shown. Nope. My demonstration is going to need some balls. Some big balls. And as it so happens, I happen to have 2 of them. These are 37-meter diameter containers, which means that when on the surface of these spheres, the 2 lenses on the 360-degree camera, to scale, will equal the views from the cruising altitude of commercial airliners and near the same altitude as Mont Blanc or Mount Rainier. So what is the horizon of the container going to look like when I land the camera? Let's find out. So after battling wind gusts, I only really had a brief time to land and return safely. So all that will matter is that the landing of the camera is long enough for the sling to get some slack on it and get the image. So it's literally only going to be there for about 3 seconds. So, and that was it. And what did we learn? Well, let's try watching it from the 360-degree camera. So, placing a 360-degree camera on an object with a known spherical shape produces a horizon at the same angle down from the observer in all directions, giving the appearance that it's flat, though it is obviously not. Thus, ending the argument with practical demonstration of, looks flat to me. Y'all have a nice day.
Oh my god.